Hi friends, good morning. I am in a spot known as Kolcharpadav viewpoint. This place is around 10 kilometers from Mangaluru city. It's a nice hilltop with a great view. If you can see on the other side, you can see the Netravati river that goes near Mangalore. It's a nice hilltop. Last time I came a couple of months back, it was all green, but now I think the forest department has burnt the grass to avoid any mishaps. Otherwise, you get a nice view here. If you come early morning, there's a lot of mist, so you will not get a great view, but that's the only time I could afford. I can't come during the midday or evening because of work. So yeah, other thing is the road to this place is good till the last 1 kilometer. Last 1 kilometer is little bit of off-roading. I could come in my venue. You will need little bit of ground clearance, courage and confidence to drive here. Otherwise you can park 1 kilometer behind and walk up. So when you're in Mangalore, when you have some free time, you might want to plan a visit to this spot. Thank you very much.